What is MEM? Is the sheer variety of Windows, Mac OS, and mobile devices in your environment causing IT chaos? Microsoft Endpoint Manager provides cross-platform standardization and control. In this video, we'll show you how. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Understanding Microsoft Endpoint Manager and core components. Microsoft Endpoint Manager, now called Microsoft Intune, is Microsoft's unified endpoint management platform. It centralizes key services like Intune for Cloud MDM/MAM and Configuration Manager into one console. MEM supports Windows, Mac OS, iOS, and Android, securing everything from corporate assets to BIDE devices using tools like Windows Autopilot, Endpoint Analytics, and Defender for Endpoint. Enrollment and management strategies for MEM. Devices can be enrolled into Microsoft Endpoint Manager using several methods, supporting both cloud-first and hybrid environments. For individual configuration, use the registry editor to prepare a device for auto-enrollment. The command prompt, using the dsreg cmd/join command, can be used to manually trigger Microsoft Entra ID join in hybrid scenarios. For management at scale, leverage group policy to automate enrollment for domain-joined devices. Use PowerShell combined with the Microsoft Graph API for advanced monitoring, compliance checks, and policy auditing across multiple devices. Advanced features, use cases, and considerations. Microsoft Endpoint Manager is built for enterprises and MSPs. Its use cases include centralized management for BIDE and corporate endpoints, automated software deployment, and conditional access enforcement based on device compliance. Key features to understand are co-management, which eases cloud migration by combining Intune and Config Manager. Security baselines, which apply Microsoft-vetted security configurations aligned with industry standards. Always be mindful of risks like duplicated Entra ID entries from running/join on an already enrolled device. Troubleshooting common MEM/Intune issues. Facing issues? Here are quick fixes for common problems. MEM not detecting devices. Ensure the device is licensed and joined to Microsoft Entra ID. Then verify its join status using dsreg cmd/status. Enrollment failures, often due to bad registry settings or conflicting hybrid configurations. Autopilot errors. Use the new Autopilot diagnostics page for detailed status information. Embracing Microsoft Endpoint Manager means future-proofing your IT strategy. It provides the flexibility and cloud power needed to securely manage your diverse workforce, no matter where they are. For more information, check out our official blog post on what is Microsoft Endpoint Manager, linked in the description below.